Well, when Luke was young, he didn't really show a lot of interest in the hunting. I hunted all the time. When he started to become a 7 and 8 year old, I could see some interest in him. The first one that would get to the dead bird would be Luke, and he'd be over there grabbing that bird, and he'd look up at me and he'd hold it up. At that point, I knew that Luke had a lot of the tendencies in him, I could see a lot of Luke in me. A lot of my tendency I could see in Luke. He enjoyed, and I could see that he wanted to do this. He wanted to do this. And that was the first I ever noticed that he was interested. And from that day on, Luke stuck with it, and he wanted to be it. He wanted to learn. He wanted to hunt. He wanted to go with me. And he did. He went with me everywhere I went.
Growing up, I have a lot of memories, a lot of good memories, specifically ones that involve my dad and being out in the outdoors hunting, specifically bird hunting. My dad he's my hero. He really is. He passed on the love of bird hunting and the love of upland hunting more than I can even fathom. Growing up, we had Brittany's, and we had Jake, Seiko, and Piazza. And when we weren't working, or when my dad wasn't working, we were hunting birds. You know, whether it was grouse or pheasants. I mean, we were hunting somewhere with our dogs, and I just fell in love with it. I mean, I thought about it. I wanted to go. Like, I'd bug my dad for days on end to be able to go hunting. I can't thank him anymore, because I wouldn't be the man that I am today without my dad. He taught me way more than just being a good person. He taught me, taught me a lot. Responsibility, being able to take care of dogs and being able to train them. It's a huge thing for me. Like, I can't thank him enough. He decided that he was going to let me get my own bird dog, and he let me choose what breed I wanted to get, and I immediately said a Brittany. Anyway, so we found a dog breeder up in Idaho, and we drove up there, and I picked out a muddy dog that looked like wasn't even a brown or a orange and white dog. He was a brown and white dog with how much mud and dirt he was just covered in it. And I picked him out, and anyways, I brought him home and named him Riddick. And instantly, I bonded to that dog. That dog was my best friend. He slept in my bed, and he rode in the cab of the truck, the front seat of the truck. And he went everywhere with me, everywhere. Didn't matter where we went. And I had no idea what that dog would do to me, not only as growing up to being a man and an adult, but teaching me responsibilities and teaching me friendship and loyalty.
Riddick was a good dog. When I first got him, as the experience I've had as dogs, I thought, no, I only paid $75 for this dog. He don't look like he's really got anything in him. He's not going to be a good dog. At least that's what I thought, because I thought I was a good judgment of dogs. I had many dogs. I thought I was a good judgment, but Riddick surprised me. Riddick was a good dog, and he was a good partner. And I hunted behind Riddick. Riddick was a smart dog. As far as any really set memories, all the memories we had with Riddick was good memories. And he turned out to be one of the best dogs that we've had.
Recently, I had to put him down. He's got super old. And he just, it sucked. It sucked really bad. He was such a good dog. He was no championship dog by any means, but he found birds, and he held birds, and he'd retrieve them when they were shot, and that's all I could ask for, especially, being teenage and early 20s when I was training him and he was working into his own. But then I got Daz. He's my English setter. He's about a year now, and he brought new life back into me when it came to bird dogs. He's a crazy dog. He's got enough energy that 5 dogs could benefit from it.
Whoa. 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 Babe, come here. Whoa.
He's an awesome dog. He's working into his own. He's found plenty of coveys of chuckers, and yeah, I'm excited to see what next couple years bring with him.
Whoa. Whoa. Good boy. Good boy, Daz.